What is Programmable Logic Controller? Consider a calculator. Have you ever wondered how it works? It works on the basis of digital apparatus, which follows the instructions logically and provides output using the programmed memory stored internally. Such an apparatus is known as Programmable Logic Controller. Thus, Programmable Logic Controller is a digitally operating electronic apparatus which uses a programming memory from the instructions stored internally to implement specific functions such as logic, sequencing, timing, counting, and arithmetic. Note that it is also denoted as PLC. The advantages of PLC are reduced space, energy saving, ease of maintenance, economical, greater life and reliability, tremendous flexibility, shorter project time, easier storage, archiving and documentation. The related term is